What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to swap Ethereum for Solana in Phantom Wallet. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you exactly do so? Well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up the Phantom Wallet. And from here on, you want to go and choose the appropriate option here. So very top, you have 4 options. So you have receive, send, swap, and buy. Let's go and choose swap. Now from here, you need to fill out the details. So you need to fill out the you pay and you receive section. Now since we want to swap from Ethereum for Solana, we want to choose the you pay for Ethereum and the you receive as Solana. Let's go ahead and click on the token here, and you want to go and choose your crypto. So in this case, let's go and choose ETH here, which in this case we already have. Now from here, you want to go to you receive, click on Solana, and from here, you want to go and choose your chain as well. Now, if you are transferring from a different chain, like for example, if you're from before, if you're using the Ethereum for, if you have like Ethereum in the Ethereum chain, the fees are going to be really big. But if you are using the same chain, the fees are going to be a lot smaller. But again, since you want to transfer to Solana, let's go and choose Solana here. And from here, let's go and indicate the amount that you want to transfer. So as an example, I'm going to transfer everything that I have right now here for ETH. And let's go ahead and wait for the conversion. And once that's prepared, what we need to do is we just need to click on the swap now at the very bottom. But make sure to review the price impact, slippage, fees here, and the price conversion. But let's go ahead and click on swap now to proceed. Now, the swapping process might take a while, so it usually takes us like a few seconds or even a minute. Just wait for it, but usually it's going to be done. Click on close here. Let's go back into our homepage. And as you can see, our Solana value or our Solana has been updated. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.